Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a fish called ghonia. Its scientific name is Labia gonias. It has a particular shape. You can see. Let's start the drawing. So I'm going from the left side to the right side. As you know, you can see the shapes here. I'm drawing right now. All right. You can see the shapes of the tail. This is a particular shape. All right. To the front face, you can have different characteristics. Let's put the black color for the eye. All right. Okay. So few details on top. You can see the hard part. All right. Is going to be like this. And in the bottom, another little details here. Okay. All right. So let's put few lines, outlines here. Also for the tail. Few details here too. And finally here, the last one. So you can see the basic shape. The scales, this is going to be very little, not so much bigger. These are the little curves you can see from the drawing that defines the scales. All right. Now let's put the black color for the outline of the drawing, making it a very good in shape. All right. You can see the details I'm doing right now. The fish is already looking good. The shades are making the drawing perfect. All right, something on top you can see there's going to be okay. This is highlighted also in the back, little bit more dark than other places. All right, you can see some dark colors I'm going to put right now. This is almost black and little bit red, you can see from the drawing. Few strokes for the face and the front. All right, you can see the little color variations at the bottom. It's little bit reddish. All right, and the end of these drawings is going to be more colorful. You can see from my color pencils. All right, okay. So you can see this is a very nice drawing. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and stay with Blue Hand Drawing. If you go through the playlist of this channel, you have lots of categories and options. So many drawings are there. You can choose for learning any drawing of them. Thank you so much. Have a good day.